There's got too much money. Too much money. See bad. Too much money. Ah, see money. Thinking, my landlord, oh my, my landlord. You come back with the next month. I like that video as well. I like that man. That person like you, system like you. But you don't have you know how to talk to person. Yeah. You know I didn't give you. Okay. And when they some people like money like that, why like this? But people like money. If you can give me money, say you can give me to five. Why you? I mean, you say something like 50. Almost 5 days. What takes you? Let's say 9. He says 8, brother. 8, check 8. Let's say this was 8 on 8. Ah, this is 9. Oh, check. What kind of gentleman? He said 9. 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 He said 10. I just wanted to go and fuck. I just wanted to go and smoke. Oh, this guy doesn't pay money for fuck. Who did I do? I know what he's doing. Me, bro, I don't do wait, don't do that. Why touch my ass? I don't understand now. Shoot. Why touch my ass? Okay, there you go. What's me?
Oke. Di sebelah sana sebelah ini. Oke.